Hey Beast, most welcome to the community. Today, we're going to talk about 7 proven strategies to impress girl. Let's start 1. Confidence. Confidence is a crucial factor in many areas of life, including relationships, career, and personal growth. Confidence allows you to approach situations with assurance and self-assurance, which can make all the difference. When you're confident, you're more likely to take risks, speak your mind, and pursue your goals. However, building confidence takes time and effort. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Remember that confidence is not about being perfect, it's about being comfortable in your own skin. It's okay to feel nervous or uncertain, but the key is to acknowledge these feelings and push through them. Confidence is a valuable asset and can have a profound impact on your life. Remember, confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you develop over time. So be patient, be kind to yourself, and believe in yourself. You got this. 2. Listen. Listening is a crucial skill that can greatly improve our relationships, work, and overall well-being. Active listening involves paying attention to what someone is saying, both verbally and non-verbally. It means taking the time to understand their perspective and showing that you care. When you listen, you create a connection and build trust. However, in our fast-paced world, it can be easy to get distracted and not fully listen. To become a better listener, it's important to eliminate distractions and give the person your full attention. Practice empathy and put yourself in their shoes. Ask questions to clarify and show that you're interested. Listening is not just about hearing words, it's about understanding the person behind them. When we listen, we learn and grow, both as individuals and as a society. Listening is a valuable skill that can greatly improve our relationships and overall well-being. Take the time to listen to others and show that you care. Remember, the greatest gift you can give someone is your full attention, so let's start listening today. 3. Being kind. Kindness is a simple act that can have a powerful impact on the world around us. Being kind means showing compassion, empathy, and understanding towards others. It means treating others with respect and dignity, even in difficult situations. Kindness creates a positive atmosphere and can improve relationships, both personal and professional. However, in our busy lives, it can be easy to forget the importance of kindness. Take the time to listen to others and show that you care. Small acts of kindness, like holding the door open or someone, can make a big difference. Kindness is contagious and can have a ripple effect. When we're kind to others, we inspire them to be kind in return. This creates a positive cycle of kindness that benefits everyone. Being kind is a simple act that can have a powerful impact on the world around us. Let's make a conscious effort to be kinder and create a more positive and compassionate world. Remember, kindness starts with you. 4. Importance of humor. Humor can have a powerful impact on our lives and can bring joy to those around us. Being humorous means having a lighthearted and playful approach to life. It can relieve stress, improve mood, and bring people together. Humor can also help diffuse tense situations and create a positive atmosphere. However, humor can be subjective and it's important to be mindful of the feelings of others. Avoid humor that is hurtful or insensitive, and always strive to be respectful. To be humorous, try to see the funny side of things, and don't take life too seriously. Humor can also be a powerful tool for communication and self-expression. It can help convey ideas and emotions in a creative and memorable way. Humor is a valuable asset that can greatly improve our lives and the lives of those around us. Embrace your sense of humor and strive to bring joy and positivity to those around you. Remember, laughter is the best medicine. 5. Being a gentleman. Being a gentleman is about more than just good manners, it's about treating others with respect, kindness, and dignity. Being a gentleman means being polite and courteous to everyone, regardless of their social status or background. It means opening doors, offering your seat, and being a good listener. It also means treating women with respect, and being a true gentleman means treating everyone with respect. Being a gentleman also means being a good role model. Lead by example, and strive to be honest, responsible, and dependable. A true gentleman is confident, yet humble, and always strives to do the right thing. However, being a gentleman is not about being old-fashioned or outdated, it's about having timeless values and a modern approach to life. It's about being a kind and compassionate person, who values others and strives to make the world a better place. Being a gentleman is about more than just good manners, it's about treating others with respect, kindness, and dignity. Embrace these values and strive to be a positive role model in your everyday life. Remember, true gentlemen are made, not born. So let's start being gentlemen today. 6. Being interesting. Being interesting means being engaging, captivating, and unique. It's about having a unique perspective and being able to connect with others in a meaningful way. Being interesting starts with being curious. Ask questions, seek new experiences, and strive to learn something new every day. This will give you a wealth of knowledge and experiences to draw from, making you a more interesting person. Also, be confident and express yourself authentically. Pursue your passions and let them shine through in your conversations. Another way to be interesting is to have a positive attitude. People are attracted to positive energy, so strive to be optimistic and uplifting. Be a good listener and show genuine interest in others. This will make you a more interesting conversationalist. Being interesting is about being engaging, captivating, and unique. Embrace your individuality, pursue your passions, and strive to be a positive and uplifting presence in the world. Remember, the world is a better place when we're all a little more interesting. 7. Being yourself. Being yourself means embracing your individuality, being authentic, and not conforming to societal expectations. Being yourself is about accepting who you are, flaws and all. It means not trying to be someone you're not in order to fit in or impress others. When you're true to yourself, you exude confidence and positivity, making you more attractive and appealing to others. But remember, everyone is unique and has something valuable to offer. Embrace your individuality and let your personality shine through. Being yourself also means being honest with yourself and others. Don't pretend to be something you're not, and don't be afraid to speak your mind and share your opinions. This will build trust and respect in your relationships. Being yourself is about embracing your individuality, being authentic, and not conforming to societal expectations. Don't be afraid to be who you are, and let your true self shine through. Remember, the world needs your unique personality and perspective. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.